Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading. Today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And this reading here is for Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. The reading starts with the Oracle of the Seven Energies card. And out came the Uncharted Sea. And it is about stepping into the unknown without a map, moving beyond your comfort zone, and choosing to do things differently, trusting in the ebb and the flow of being in the dark, and letting curiosity lead the path that all will be well. Your comfort zone is sometimes exactly that. It is a safe, familiar harbor that you have finally come to be in yourself. You have a sense that you do not need more than what is available right now, and where you have been landed in your life. Now, however, is not one of those times. Like the archetypal hero's journey, the universe is inviting you to step into uncharted waters. Something is stirring, adventure is calling. You may want to resist this urge because it will involve leaving your comfort zone, but embarking on this journey is essential for your well-being. Navigating the uncharted aspects of yourself means that you do not have a map, because no one else has ever been there where you are going. On this journey, you cannot rely on the help that you would typically expect from others who have gone before you. This new territory is yours to explore. You are invited to be a pioneer, a path maker, a magical cartographer who draws your map with your own life force as the ink. This is the day to dive into a novel experience and fully immerse yourself in the new. You do not know what this sea of possibility has in store for you, so stay curious and refrain from judgment or the need to label things. Give yourself the time and the freedom to be curious without the limitations and boundaries projected by your memories or expectations. You are in an amazing place right now, and you will never be the same for surveying these waters. The second card is the Shaman's Dream Oracle card, and out came Dream Thief. And a dream thief is about rejection of the path of fulfillment and the refusal of the call. The dream thief is a soft and compelling seductress. Her only purpose is to keep you hypnotized by comfort and sameness. She wants you to tell your old stories over and over so that you do not evolve beyond them. So ask yourself whether you are reverting back to the familiarity of your origin story of why you were wounded or when you were rejected. Do you talk about how your family molded you as a child without also acknowledging that you have already become someone else? Teaching from an old wound will never allow you a new adventure, and instead it will bring to mind how you have already changed, remembering that you have new stories to rely and build upon. Do you want to move beyond the barrier of glass you have placed between you and the horizon? You can, and it is not difficult. So answer the call to a new adventure and drop your resistance to sailing the uncharted seas of your potential. The wind will soothe and sing the dream thief to sleep so you can wake up and move forward. You are so much more than you know. Now it's time to express what has lain dormant. Your new adventure has already started. Card number 3 is the Starseed Oracle card, and out came Portal, and a portal is about doors are opening, that you decide what's happening, rewards, and the portal is also a wild card. Doors are opening for you. Your thoughts are extra powerful for you right now. Planets are aligning and the timing is right. The universe is saying, yes, you have the Midas touch. Your hard work is being rewarded. This is a time when you can reap the rewards for efforts made in the past. It is also a time when you can achieve a lot. Great leaps can be made. Extreme transformation can occur. Great distances can be traveled in a short space of time. You are swimming with the cosmic current of life. What experience would you like to have? What do you want to create? What new adventure would you like to manifest? Do not lose your focus. Use this moment in time wisely and be conscious and clear with your emotions and your thinking. Projects that you have been working on, they are coming to fruition. Things are in full bloom. It is time to take your harvest and to taste your well-earned fruits. When this card comes up in your reading, it is a sure sign that effortless change is possible. So if you have been looking for a sign, this is your portal into that new reality. Now is the time to make big changes. If you have been if you have been guided to switch things up, you are extremely well supported right now. So use this energy and jump right on it. Ask this Starseed soul inquiry, what would I most like to experience? Next card is the Sacred Destiny Oracle card, and out came blessings, and the blessings relate to the holy spring. In many ancient cultures, it was believed that there were some springs that were holy. Gods and goddesses, they were thought to reside in or near these special places, and they were revered. Greek mythology is replete with stories of these special places. Many of the Christian hallowed water sources, such as the Chalice well, were used for sacred purposes long before Christianity rose to prominence. These kinds of springs were thought to be healing waters, where blessings were bestowed by mystical beings. The sacred landscape wants you to know immense blessings are emerging into your life from those in spirit. Angels, guides, and spirit guardians are watching over you. Angelic intervention is available to you, so be open to the voice of the divine. Messages are all around you, and you are protected and you are safe. Have faith that your path is guided and watch for signs that spiritual beings are present. Profound healing energy is flowing to you in wondrous ways. Refreshing, replenishing energy is filling your life. The last two card decks are animal decks, and now comes the lovely animals oracle card, and out for you came the elephant. And the general message of the elephant card is that there are life lessons which are well hidden in your deepest memories that you can use now. So use your extraordinary intelligence in connection with your emotional side so that obstacles flow like water and not stagnate inside you and block you. The elephant card is about memory, about lessons, and intelligence. And the strength of the card is that you are intelligent and you have a good memory and harmonious life. The opportunities are that you love many life lessons that you have learned and you can use at any time. Some weaknesses are that sometimes you are a bit slow to act, and some dangers are that you have a hard time to avoid stagnation. So get rid of that stagnation, okay? And the last card is the wild unknown animal spirit card, and out came the octopus. And the octopus is about reaching, yearning, lacking boundaries and direction. The octopus signifies a wonderfully perceptive mind paired with a lack of healthy boundaries. So unfortunately, this results in well-intended but messy relationships. The octopus entwines itself into other people's business and so shares their own without restraint. They believe that's what it means to be close to someone. So if you notice after spending time with someone that you feel drained or uneasy, the essence of the octopus is at play in your life. So begin to establish healthy boundaries. Be patient and be firm. It may be a very old habit that needs to change. When in balance, the card is about that you are interested, engaged, and intelligent. When out of balance, you might be a bit needy, clingy, and you might lack some courage. and to bring into balance both of the cards, meaning space. You need space to oneself, space for yourself, and you might use a talk therapy to get out everything that bothers you. So that was the reading for Taurus. I thank you very much for listening, Taurus. I wish you a wondrous day today. I wish you a wondrous week. Take care and goodbye.